Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Verasity here. Before we begin, please do like and subscribe, really helps out the channel. And with that being said, let's get into the video. So we can see here that Verasity here has closed below our 023 Fibonacci level here, as you can see, for the first time pretty much since, all the way back here really, where we were on our way up here. But when you have parabolic moves like this, what comes up must come back down. And you can see here, after a bit of a consolidation here, we are starting to see Verasity rolling over, losing the 023 Fibonacci level and heading back down to the downside. Currently bouncing at this next key level here, which is the swing high back here. We made all the way back in November really, in and around this November time here. You can see it quite clearly. In and around the time of the FTX collapse. You can see we came down, continued to the downside quite clearly and then we had that huge push up again. I've been saying it for a while now, after this massive push here, that we're probably going to see some of these lower levels being retested pretty soon. Obviously, the 023 looked like it was going to hold as a support for quite a while here, but obviously now looking like we have actually broken down below this now and closed below it for the first time in a while. You can see here the times previously where we did touch this, we did get bounces to the upside that were quite significant. But as I did keep saying, if we were going to, continue having this kind of bearish sentiment in the market over the past few weeks, we're probably going to see Verasity breaking to the downside here and continuing down to retest some lower levels. You can see here and here are some key levels that are probably going to get retested, one here and one here like this. And in my opinion, it's pretty likely that we're probably going to see Verasity heading back down into this region here to retest this low kind of trend line of really its entire life cycle. If we do continue to see Bitcoin, have a bit of a retracement, we could see a deeper retracement for Verasity as well, back into this area here in my opinion. And as I said before, I'm not too concerned. I'm just building up a long position in Verasity right now. You can see here Bitcoin just back at the support again of the 038, and that is why Verasity has been pulling back. Really, you could see it coming back down into this kind of area here before getting a significant bounce back up. Unless we do get a bounce right now in this area here, in which case we could just deviate back inside the range. But for now, as always, waiting and seeing what's happening. For me, still just averaging into a long position for Verasity for the long term. And I have got a long term bag of Verasity as well, for when we do reach some of those really nice prices. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. As always, please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.